Hi everybody, today is very important video for who wanna get a confident in SQL, because today I am going to solve 15 plus SQL question, and after complete this video I am pretty sure, I promise you, you will get the confidence while solving the SQL question. Suppose you go the interview, the interviewer asks SQL question, then I am pretty sure you are so comfortable to solve that question, SQL question, after complete this video. And after solving 15 plus SQL question from this website, we will going to solve this website. We will solve. There are 4 tables: patient table, admission table, and doctor table, and provision name. This is the 4 table. This is a schema. Every table is related to each other. This website is free. There is no any kind of paid proposal. Really, I like website because different type of question available in this website for SQL. I am pretty sure. Please give your time for complete this video. You are so comfortable while solving the SQL question after complete this video. And here is a schema. I'll solve this question little bit. This type of question I'll cover in this video. This is the all question. We will go with easy question to medium question to hard question also. There are different type of topic we will cover, and suppose some topic you are not able to understand, you don't aware about that, then also here is a feature to learn about that topic. Every topic is available: query basic, query filtering, function, table, relative table. Suppose you don't know window first, suppose you don't know filtering, you don't know order by, I just click on order by, and that query, that topic related to description available, and you can read it and understand it and jump to the question. And that website link I'll provide in a description. You just go in a website. Otherwise you can search directly to Google SQL practice. Otherwise you can also check my description. And let us start to do first question. The starting question is so easy, so basic. You feel, I think, little bit more, but I think for revision purpose, for practice purpose, easy question also build your confidence. That's why I think you also start with the basic question. Basic question, go to hard question. I'll show overview of this question. Easy to go medium. Medium question is quite difficult from the easy, and hard question is hard. I think it will take some time understanding. While solving the hard question, you build your understanding about SQL. You know, nowadays SQL is very important for interview as well, because for interacting the database, SQL is very important. And interview nowadays, data analytics, data scientist, and even lot of designation required SQL. And that's why let's start this video. This is the first question. We start to easy question. I know this is very basic, but for solving the hard question, we have to do basic practice with the easy question. And this is the question. So first name, last name, and gender of the patient, whose gender is M. M denotes for male. And this is the table having all column. You wanna see the table, then just click here, green arrow, then you are able to see the table. This is the first column, first name, and we want last name and gender with M, containing M. Then I am requesting you, please try yourself. Open this website and try to solve yourself, to use your mind. Pause this video and try to solve. And suppose you are not comfortable or maybe comfortable to solve, then you can see my video how I can deal this type of question. Please try to solve yourself first, then after that you can see. First, and also one important thing, for executing the SQL query, we have to click Control plus Enter. Let's start. We want select. We want first name, comma, last name, column I want, then after that gender, Gender I want. Gender. From which table? Table we want patient table. Then after that, condition is also available. We want gender is M. Then for condition purpose, we use where gender is equal to, in double quote we can put, and after that semicolon. And for execute, we have to click Control Enter. Now we will go to second question. We click on next question, otherwise view all question, and go to this. Here is saying so first name, last name of the patient who does not have allergy. Who does not have allergy, any kind of problem. It means allergy is null. I'll show the table. This is the allergy table. We want first name, last name. After that, allergy having contain. Allergy contain null. Well, then how I can deal with that question? Just clear here, and this is the first column is first name, second column is last name. Output is having here is saying the output. We want first name, last name. Then after that, from this table, patient table. Then condition is also available. Then for condition या for filter purpose, we have to use where allergy column contain क्या? What? Contain null. Control enter. That's nice. You got it correct. Now it's say time to go on third question. Third question is that so first name of the patient that start with the letter C. It means expecting output. Is saying first name contain name whose starting letter is start with C. Then how we can solve it? First you can try yourself. Then after that you can see this video. Then first name we want output this one. You can see this one. Then according to expected output we can execute. We can write the query from patient table, and we want condition where first name. First you see the table. This is the previous answer. No? See the table. This is the table. We want first name. Start with C. Where first name like we use like and start with C. In with percentage showing start with C, percentage contain remaining things, and end with double quote. After that semicolon. And suppose you are not able to like operator, how does it work? Then just go in learning source and click on like, and you can read it and understand it and jump to the question. And this is I'll not explain it deeply because this is the practice video. I'll upload this type of explaining video after as soon as possible, after some days. Then you can watch it. I think it's not a difficult thing. You can just read it and try to solve it and Google it. Here is everything explaining in deeply. Then you can understand. Now it's okay. Just execute Control Enter. Yeah, suppose you are not comfortable to this answer, then also here is some type of solution this website provides. You can see it and also understand it, which answer is better for you. You can solve according to this. Like this is the different way they solve. We solve different type, different way. And let's jump to third question. Fourth question, sorry. Fourth question is saying, so first name, last name of the patient that weight within range of 100 to 120. A patient having 100 to 120. And one important thing, having inclusive. It means start with 100, end with 120. Then let's start. And here is a expected output. First name, last name we want with the condition of weight and 100 to 120. Last name from patient where weight. For range purpose we use the between 100 and 120. It means between contain start between contain range, between operator used for the range. Weight contain 100 to 120. Now it's simple. And you can see here they provide two answers. We can solve also this thing this way, where weight greater than equal to 100, and also saying and less than equal to 120. We can also solve this. Now it's time to fifth question. This is the fifth question. Showing update patient table for allergy column. We have to update something in allergy column. If patient allergy is null, then replace it with NKA. We have to replace. Suppose allergy column is showing null, then we have to replace with NKA. This is the column. This is the table. We want allergy. Suppose here is allergy column showing null. Then we have to replace NKA. Then you can try to solve yourself. Otherwise, I can solve it. Suppose you are not able to solve it, get hint, view solution. Otherwise, see my video how I can solve. Or update something. We use update. Update. What we wanna update? Table. We wanna update the table. We wanna change something in table. That's why we use update. Patient. Patient is a table. We want state. What we want? We want allergy. In allergy column, we want is equal to NKA. We want to state NKA in allergy column where we are putting the condition, we are putting the filter where allergy is null. This is not a very difficult. It's similar to English language. Just understand the English and just write the answer. Sixth question is, so first name and last name concatenated into one column to show their full name. Here is a full name. We want full name. So this is the first name and last name. We have to combine both name and having a space between. We want that column name having full name. How we can solve? Just select concate. Concate, it means combine the two columns. First name, comma, last name from patient. What do you think? Is it right or wrong? Say in a comment before see this video. Pause this video and say it. Having this is right, but you know, like this is not exactly right. This is having a space. between both names. When you execute this SQL query, then without a space we can get the name. Got it? Just we have to uh, get the space from double quote. Now you can say this is we will get the output of or not. Again, we are not able to get it. We want column name, full name. We want column name from as. When you put as and after that full name, now it's okay. Full name, now it's okay. Is it right? We can call it lysis. Now we can execute it. Where we are making the problem, this is the right SQL query, but this is not executed. I don't know why. Let's see the hint. See the keyword 1K. Yeah, you can see it. We also use the full name. Full name for rectify the or put the name of that column. And we are this is matching from this from my answer. And I think this SQL query is not executed without when I put without full name. When I execute it, then it's showing right. It's a problem of not out. You can see it. Answer is showing 1K first name and also here is showing as name, but without full name, this question has been executed. Don't think about a lot. But in interview, we have to put for right answer. We have to put as full name. We also use the analyze. Let's start the next question. Seven question is so first name, last name, and the full province name of the each patient. Uh, this is a little bit difficult from the previous question, but not a lot of difficult, not difficult a lot. Let's see. Here is two table. Both table use it in this way. First is patient table. We solve remaining previous question from patient, and one column is more province province name having two columns province ID province name. Here you can see it. First name and last name take from the patient table, and province name take from the province name table. And for two table, for joining of the two table, we use the join. Let's see how I can solve. You can try yourself. If you are comfortable, you did it. For more practice, you can solve from your side. We want, yeah, you can see the output, and you can understand what we want actually from this quite. First, we want first name, last name, and province name. Let's start to solve. We want first name and last name from this which table? Patient table. Then we write we want patient. Select patient table. We patient table we select which column we want first name. Again we want select patient table. Which column we want from the patient table? Last name. Then after that we want province name. Province name from which table? Province names. Province names dot province name. This is the column from which table? Patient table. And this, and also we want to join. That's why we use join. And after that we second table is province table, province name, and also we put the condition using like every like for using for joining purpose, we use one column, common column. You can see it. This is the common column. Province ID, province ID. You can see the schema also. Here is a schema. This is the patient table. This is the province name. Here is a province ID is matching with the province ID. That's why we use province ID with condition. I'll explain how join is work. I think there are lots of people is facing. They understand the join, but not exactly from deeply. I'll say. I'll explain after this. After this question. Wait. We use we use common province patient table. What is the common column? Province ID is equal to province name table. What is the common column? Province ID. Yeah, now it's right. Execute it. And one thing, so I'll tell you what exactly join. I'll give the example of two tables. First table contains four rows. Second contains four rows. Join actually join the two tables. Suppose you don't know, then you can also learn from this query. I'll show you. Uh, you can learn the topic from this. Its question is show how many patients have date of birth with 2010 as the year. Like this is the table I will date of birth is showing year, then after that month, date, this format. Birth date is this format. But we want year only. Then I'll show you how we can execute it. Try to solve it in your desktop. Pause this video and first we want output is like this. 55 is the answer of this question. First we want count. We want patient ID. What we count? We count number of patient ID. We want total patient from. We want total patient whose date was belong to 2010. This is the question. Patient where word change data type convert date format is different, but we want year only. We want extract year from this date, and we use the date year function. Birth date is 2010. Yeah, that's right. Ninth question is again. This is view. I'll show you. Ninth question. Wait. This is not. This is not. Oh yeah. This is ninth question. This is again basic question, not a difficult. This is saying show first name, last name, and height of the patient with the greatest height. This is the output we want from this table, patient table. And just we want which column? First name. Then after that we want second column is last name. Then after that we want maximum height. Here is saying greatest height, greatest height. That's why we use max function to find the max height. And we also use the analysis. Analysis it means column header name. We want height from which table? Height from patient table. Yeah, got it. 10th question is, I will show you. Yeah, this is the 10th question. Question is saying, show all columns for patients who have one following patient ID. A patient have one ID, 45 ID, 534. This is the patient ID. We want all columns from this table, patient table, this from this table, having belong to this ID. Let's solve it. This is again basic question. We for select all column, we use a star for all column. We can select all from patient. Then we want this range. That's why we use patient ID belong to patient ID contain one in use. It means belong to 45, 334, 879 and 1000. Yeah, where we are putting the filter, that's why we use where patient ID belong to. In it means belong to this one. Now it's okay. 11th question is, yeah, this is so basic question. I think you can solve it from your side. We use select count, but table is different. Table is admission table. For find the total, we use count patient. Show total number of admission. It means we count. We use analysis as we want total admission. Here is table header name. Column header name is total admission. That's why we are using total underscore admission from which table? From admission table. From admission. Yeah. Now it's okay. Control enter. Yeah. This is the 12th question. I think again this is the basic question, easy question. Don't worry. We will face lot of difficult question after some question. uh, we we have also we have to also practice some basic question to face difficult question. We are just increasing difficulty level, easy to medium, medium to difficult, not directly difficult. When you see difficult again, then we are not able to tackle that question. That's why we are complete first, we are completing the basic question, easy question, then we will face after some question difficult question. Question is saying, show all the columns from the admission. This is the admission table where patient was admitted and discharged date, discharged on same date. It means I'll show you. This is the admission table having this column. It means saying is admission date and discharge date is same. It means here is saying 11 6 2018 11 6. Then here is also showing 2011 06. This is the question. It means patients same day go and leave. It means question is same. Let's solve this question. For all column we use a star from admission where admission, not admission, admission date is equal to discharge date. This is so easy. This is the 13th question. 13th question is saying show the patient ID and total number of admissions for patient ID 579. It means in a practical way, I am saying it means having total number of rows contain patient ID is 579 in a table. Again, it means total number of rows contained in this table having patient ID is 579. It means this question is saying. Then let's start to solve this question. First before solving this query, we have to see the expected output. We want this one. We want patient ID. Then we write patient ID. Then after the total admission, we can find it from the count patient ID, and header name is column header name is total admission. Then we use total admission total admissions from admission table, and we also using condition. It means filter where patient ID is equal to 579. Okay, and semicolon. Our 14th question is, this is the 14th question. This is the 14th question. Based on city that our patients live in, so show unique city that are in province ID and S. It means they are asking about distinct city, unique city, province contain province ID is NS. It means you can see the table, then you can understand. We want city, unique city, having province ID. Province ID I'll show you. Where is province ID? This is the province ID. Province ID is NS. This is the question. We want city, province ID contain NS. Output is this is the output. We want distinct, which means unique. We want city as header name is unique city, unique underscore cities from this table, from patient table where province ID is equal to, we put always in double quote. A string always put in double quote, maybe single quote. Yeah, we can also use the single quote, but I use yeah. Now it's okay. Control enter. They provide two different type of way. You will say different type of way this way. We use this one, but we can also solve this question from this group by having. You can try it. You can try to solve this question from group by and have. Next, 15th question is, this is only two easy question is remaining. Then we will jump to medium, and let's start to 15th question. 15th question is, write a query to find first name, last name, and date of birth of the patient who has height greater than 160 and weight greater than 70. It's a kind of basic. Let's try to solve it. First name, then second column is last name, third column is birth date. From this table, from patient table where height greater than 160 and and weight less than 70. Where I made the mistake, let's find it. Not less than. Weight is greater than. Weight greater than 70. That's it. Now it's okay. 16th question is, this is the last question of the easy type. Write a query to find list of patients, first name, last name, and allergy where allergy are not null and are from the city Hamilton. Yeah, let's see the table. They're asking the detail where allergy is not null and city belong to Hamilton. Let's solve it. First is first name, last name, and allergy. Allergy from patient. Patient where allergy. Allergy is not null. This is said. You can see here. Where allergy are not null. Remember it, allergy is not null. And asking about city. City is Hamilton. This is the city. This is the city column. City is equal to, in double quote, we write the Milton, right? Yeah, now it's done. Easy type of question has been covered. Now let's just start to solve medium type of question. This is the new concept. Whatever we will use, you can see how we are using. This question is showing show unique word here from the patient and order them by ascending order. Unique word here. I'll show you. This is the output. We wanna write the query in this way, then our result will become like this. Like this is birthday. We are working on birthday. We want year only. Then for we use year function from extract year data from this birth year. We want unique. Unique we use this thing. I'll show you, then you can understand. For unique we use this thing. For extract the year data from the date format, we use year, and we want column name is worth year. Worth year from which table? From patient table. We also want ascending order. We want ascending order to this column. For ascending year, we want worth year one ascending order. We want worth year. Where is wrong? We want order wise. We for arranging in ascending order we use order wise. Now it's okay. Suppose you are not able to understand the order by, then you can check in the learning resource. Here is learning resource and go order wise and read this article, then you can understand. This is 18th question, second question of medium type. Question is saying, this is a little bit difficult from the previous question. Question is saying, show unique first names from the patient table which only occurs once in the list. We understand from the example. For example, if two are more people are named John in the first name column, then don't include their names in our output list. If only one person named Leo, then include them in output list. It means they are talking about first name column. This column they are talking about. Suppose Donald is repeat one time in this column, then it will show in our output result, in our output list. Suppose the Donald is showing two times, then it will not reflect, it will not comes in output list. Whatever is showing here in expected output, whatever is showing in resultant output, uh, output list, this is showing only one time in this patient table of first name. And let's start. We are we will use this question, we will use to solve group wise. Suppose you are not able to understand the group wise, I'll show the briefly explain about group wise. Group wise statements groups the rows that having same values into summaries. Rows like find the place. You can read it and understand it from yourself. Let's start. Let's jump to the question. Question is asking about first column name from which table? From patient table. And after that, we have to do group wise. Group the rows having same value. It means we have to we will do the group wise of first name, and we put the condition. Having actually do, I will explain the having. Having actually do the filter, put the condition over the group wise. But where is put the condition or filter the condition or on the statement? That's the difference between where and having. Having filter the condition over group wise, where filter the condition, put the condition over select a statement. That's the difference. We want first name unique. It means count first name so only one time. You can also see the different way to solve it. Here they will provide different way. They provide two answer of this question. First answer is matching from us. Second answer you also learn how they are solving. This is 19th question. So patient ID and first name from the patient where first name start and end with S and is at least 6 character long. They are talking about first name contain first letter is S and last letter is S, and first name contain more than 6 character. They are talking about at least 6 character. It not means only 6 character, more than 6 character or equal to 6 character. They are talking about first name. I'll show you. Uh, this is the table. They are talking about first name. First letter is S and last letter is S, and another condition is first letter is more than 6 character or 6 character. Let's solve it. Patient ID. Yeah, right. And after that, we use where patient first name. We are talking about. We are putting the condition over the first name. First name like first letter is S, and also we want at least 6 character. I'll show you 2, 3, 4, and S. I'll explain it how why I put the underscore. This is the 6 character 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Underscore show the single character. This is the sixth character. Then we also put the, for more than six character having, we put the percentage. I'll show the like operator, what percentage do. And like operator is used in a where clause to search for a specific pattern in the column. There are two wildcards. First is percentage sign. Percentage sign represent 0, 1 or multiple characters. But underscore sign represent only single one characters. That's why. Suppose six character is having, this is showing one character also, two character also, zero character also. But underscore showing only one character. It means at least this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It means showing at least 6 character is having, at least it means more than 6 character also available in this word. And start with ace and end with ace. Now it's okay. Yeah, this is answer. Control enter. Oh, control enter. Now it's okay. So I remove everything here. Okay. Question number 20 is this one. So first name, so patient ID, first name, last name from the patient whose diagnosis is dementia. Primary diagnosis is stored in admission table. Yeah, it means there are two tables, patient table and admission table. Patient ID and first name and last name available in patient's table. And talking about diagnosis column is available in admission. This we want output. Got it now? We have to join these two tables on the basis of patient ID. Patient ID is available in both. We can join this both table with the help of patient ID. First, I will show the schema. This is the patient table. This is the admission, and common column is patient ID. You can see it. And on the basis of patient ID, we will join the both columns, and we can according to that we can get the required column. First, we want patient ID. Patient ID want from which column? Patient table. Patient table. Patient ID we want. Then after that, first name we want from which table? Patient table. Then after that, first name. Then after that, patient table. We want last name. Last name. Now it's okay. And from which table? We want from patient. And after that, we join. And also we will put the condition, where condition diagnosis is equal to dementia. First we join the admission table on the basis of, we join both tables on the basis of what? On the basis of patient ID. That's why we want patient table from patient ID column is equal to admission dot patient ID. Now it's okay. I'll explain again. We join the admission table and patient table on the basis of patient ID. Got it? And also one condition is we have to write diagnosis is dementia, where diagnosis is available in admission table. First we put the admission table, diagnosis table. What is the name of diagnosis? This is the diagnosis table is equal to we want text we write in double quote dimension. Yeah. Oh, it's okay. Control enter. Where we are making error, yeah, we are making mistake here. We put capital D. Now it's okay. Control enter. Yeah. This is they provide three answer, three solution. You can see every solution because you learn many way to solve this query, SQL query. Then jump to the question number 21. Question number 21 is, I'll show you. Yeah, this is question number 21. Question number 21 is display every patient first name, order the list by the length of the name and then by alphabetically. It's saying order by length of name. Then after that alphabetically. I'll show the output. They are talking about first name. They are talking about this column name, first name column. They are talking about first order by the character of the word, which means first they are showing two words, three words, like that. We understand from the output. Then after that, sort by the character of the word, and after that also sort by the alphabetically. It means A having a starting time come with two words, A, B, and also C, D, like that. First they complete the two words, then come with three words alphabetically order. A coming, word start with A, three word is coming with A, then after that three character start with B. Like that they are expecting from us to write the query. It's a basic question. It's a, we use order by. Suppose you don't know order by what the word, then you can see the learning resource. Yeah, this is the order by. Where this is order by. You can write read it. First name from patient ID, patient table, order by what? Order by length, number of characters we can find with length function. Here we want ascending order, A, S, C. Then after that we want alphabetically. Alphabetically we want first name A, S, C. Yeah, now it's okay. Length, number of order by length. Length it means number of character they order ascending order. Then after that first name. First name character. It means alphabetically. They order with ascending order. Now it's okay. Control enter. Control enter. Question number 22 is show total amount of male patient and total amount of female patient in the patient table. Display two results in the same row. Like you can see the output. We want this output. Male count and female count. Like in all is in same rows. We are talking about gender. We will focus only gender. We don't focus on remaining all. Let's just start to solve it. Try yourself to solve it. Pause the video and try to do this question, do this query from yourself. And total male. Yeah, we want male count. We want male count. Then we can do select count all from patient where gender is equal to capital M. And similar things we will solve it with subquery. I will show you after some time you will understand. Now we put select select a statement. This is the first column. This is the first column. Column name is, I am putting, this is the first column. I put the analysis is main count. And after that we want second column. Just copy and paste it here. We want female, which means gender is equal to F, and column name is female, female, and after that semicolon. It means select the column. It means select the statement, select the column. First column is select count all from the patient where gender is M, and column name is male count, and similar things we do for female. Got it? And just control enter. Talking about question number 23 is saying show first name and last name allergy from the patient table which have allergies to either penicillin or morphine. So result order ascending by allergy, then first name, then last name. This is talking about first name. They want output this one. First name, last name, and allergy. Allergy is equal to only penicillin or morphine. Question is saying. And also ordered by allergy. Then after that, first name. Then after that, last name. This is the question we say. Let's just start to solve it. Try to solve yourself. Pause the video and try to solve it. First name, last name, and after that allergy from which table? From patient table. Then after that they are asking about condition where allergy is equal to what? Is equal to asking about penicillin. Allergy is equal to penicillin or it means allergy is equal to penicillin either from morphine. Allergy is equal to morphine. Now it's okay. And next condition is asking about order by. Our results comes order by first order by allergy. They want ascending order. Then after that ordered by first name, ascending order, then after that last name, ascending order. Now it's okay. Control enter. Yeah. Question number 24 is show patient ID diagnosis from the admission. This is the admission table they are talking about. Now we are working over the admission table. We will work over the admission table. Find patient admitted multiple times for the diagnosis. They are asking about a patient admitted multiple times. Means patient go hospital multiple times with same diagnosis. Which means same diagnosis. I will give the example with the help of this table. They are talking about patient ID and diagnosis column. Here is patient ID 1. Here is also patient ID 1. But diagnosis is different. Here is diagnosis different and here is different. Then it's not come in our output result. Suppose both are same, then it's come in our output result. They are asking about a patient come in our hospital and diagnosis same with same diagnosis. Multiple times they will come with same diagnosis. Then we put the condition greater than 1. It means not equal to 1, greater than something. Also, I think it will not clear to you. I'll show the query, I'll write the query, then you will easily understand. First, they are asking select patient ID, then after that diagnosis from which table? From admission table. Then after that, we are doing the group wise patient and diagnosis. I'll explain after complete the query why I put at patient ID and diagnosis. Then after that, we are putting the condition over we want those lists who have patient ID greater than one. Why we put this one? It means group by combine those row who is patient ID and diagnosis is same. It means this one and one is not combined because diagnosis is different. Group wise, I think you already know. Group wise combine patient ID and diagnosis, whose patient ID is same and diagnosis is same, then it join, then it combine each other, combine the rows. And they are also putting a visit. Let's visit multiple times. Visit multiple times means having we are putting the condition for then after grouping wise they are putting the having condition, having count patient ID greater than one. It means multiple times comes. It means greater than one in practical way. It's repeat multiple rows in our table. That comes in our output result. Then control enter. Question number 25 is saying show city and show, show the city and total number of patients in the city. Order from most to least patient and then by the city name ascending order. They are asking about. They are asking about total number of patient available in city, then order by patient number, most to least. Then next condition is then order from city ascending order. They are asking that. Let's solve it. Select city, count patient ID. It means city we select, output is this one city, and second is number of patient is num patient. We also put the num patient as a header, column header. Patient from this table, from patient table. And after that we put the group by city. They are combined all city who is same city, like Hamilton, whatever, all cities coming Hamilton, just group. And it means saying directly, I will explain the easy way to understand. Group by is saying Hamilton. Hamilton, where is city? This is city. Hamilton is repetition. Group the city, it means group by the city. It means Hamilton is repeated, repeated in this table 1938. It means repetition of like Hamilton is available in this column 1938. It means in a practical way. Then after that order by, it means 1938 rows having Hamilton. It means you can understand. And every rows have patient. It means number of rows is equal to number of patients. Hamilton have 1938 rows. It means 1938 patients. I think now it's clear. Order by, they are asking about most to first, most to list. Then we have to do a descending order. Patient order by patient ID. patient ID descending order. Then we want city ascending order. You can see, you can see city ascending order is going first H, then alphabetically order. City is going H comes first in alphabetical order, then after that T, then after that first they are order by decreasing, increasing order by number. Suppose BB is showing 2 times, then order by ascending. It it's simply means count patient ID. It's arrange. They are asking about arrange the table number of patient, order by number of patient descending order available in city. Then after that, suppose number of patient is same in two city, then go to the city alphabetically arranged in ascending order. You can see here, like first is they are arranging the descending order by the number of patient. Then here is containing two city containing same number of patient. Then they go to city alphabetically order. 79 is showing. Then first they are come first ascending alphabetically order. First they are start with C, then after that T, then after that E, like that. They are asking for. Question number 26. Here is saying, so first name, last name, and role of every person that is either patient or doctor. The role are either patient or doctor. Here is two tables. They are asking about. Here is two table. Patient contain patient detail. Doctor contain doctor detail. They are asking about all patient and all doctor merged in one table. They are asking like he first name, last name. There is also in doctor table also first name, last name, and doctor content role is doctor and patient content role is patient. They are asking. Then we have to solve it. I'll show you. We will use union or. It's a new topic. Uh, Select first name, last name. Then after that we use for patient. For patient we use patient as role from patient table. From which table? From patient table. We want union. Union all. It means they simply append the table. We use union all for append the table, and similar things we use for doctor. First name, last name, and role is doctor. Capital D. Doctor. And also in patient capital P. Now it's okay. Doctor as role from doctor table. Yeah, now it's okay. Here union all work because here is in union work because both patient and doctor having three columns: first name, last name, and patient. Not patient, role. And also in doctor column, in doctor table having first name, last name, and role, and just append from the union also. Talking about question number 27 is uh, saying, show all energies order by popularity, remove null value from query. Question is saying like it's a simple question is saying they are asking about this also. Total number of patients available in each allergy they are asking, and order by popularity. It means descending order. Let's solve it. You can also try to solve in your side. They are asking, we take hint from this example, from this output. They are asking first we have to write allergies column. Then after that, total patient. How can I get? With the help of count function, we can get total allergies. We write the column name is total underscore diagnosis from which table? From patient table. And we have to do group by allergy. And we have to write filter on group by. Allergy is not null. This is us. Here is saying remove null value from the query. It means they are saying he remove that allergy. There is no patient available in that allergy. We have to remove it. They are saying we don't want in output list. That's why we remove it with the help of having clause having null, allergy is not null. And after that we have to order by count allergy descending order. Why descending order? Because here is a order by popularity. Popularity it means increasing by decreasing. And control enter. Yeah, here is three answer. You can see which answer is suitable for you. You can see every answer and you can learn every answer. You can learn three way to solve this query. Question number 29 is we want to display each patient full name in single column. They are asking about this one. Single column, both name. First name and last name. They are asking about in full name. Their last name in all upper letter. It means capital letter. Must be appear in first. They are talking about your last name showing in first with upper letter. It means capital letter. Then first name in all lowercase letter. Lowercase letter it means a small letter they are talking about and so in second. And separated last name and first name with comma. And they are separator is comma. And order the least by first name in descending order. It's a easy question. And we use concate and upper function, lower function. Three different type of function we will use to solve it. First, upper one last name. Now it's okay. And after that, lower one first name. They are talking. They are talking about. You can read it. Last name so in upper letter and first name so in lower letter. Now it's okay. And now they are talking about. They are talking about in one column both are same. Both are. This is the two column, no? This is the two column, but we want in one column both name. That's why we have to use concate for join both columns. Concate. Now it's okay. Concate and separated by which things? Separated by call comma. Now it's okay. Now it's the desired result, and after that from which result? From which table? From patient where, not where, order by first name descending order. Now it's okay. Here you can see two different type of ways to solve it. You can also see that also to learn two way to solve this query. Question number 30 is show the province ID sum of height where total sum of its patient height is greater than or equal to 7,000. So they are talking about province ID. Group wise, we have to use the group wise province ID and sum of all height available in each province ID, and that is greater than after some we are talking about that is greater than 7,000. I'll show you. Suppose we were working about province ID and height, and we have to find on province ID whatever available on height. We have to sum all height that belong to province ID is on, and whatever available in province ID, and we have to do group wise, and after that height is available 7,000 after summation they are talking about. Let's solve it. Province ID, and after that sum height, total height as sum. One time you see the expected answer, then you understand what we want. Sum underscore HEIGST height from patient table group wise. We have to do group wise by province ID, and we have to put the condition on group wise that here is condition given is sum of province ID, sum of height of the patient is greater than equal to 7,000. Height greater than equal to 7,000. Now it's okay. And also there is two solution, you can see it. Question number 31 is show the difference between largest weight and the smallest weight for patient with the last name Maroni. They are talking about different. We have to find the patient weight, largest weight minus the smallest weight of the patient whose name is Maroni. It's a kind of simple question. We have to find max name, last name, then after that minus mean, not last name. We have to subtract weight of the patient. Max we find, and also condition is saying last name belong to Maroni. We have to put the condition in where. First we have to write mean, then after that weight from which table? Patient table. And also we have to write the column. You can see the desired answer. What the column name is. Column name is delta, weight delta. And also we have to write column name is as weight delta. Now it's okay. Where last name is equal to Maroni. Yeah, now it's okay. And question number 32 is show all of the days of the month 1 to 31 and how many admission dates occur on that day. Sort by the day with most admission to least admission. They are talking about we have to we have to find total number of admission of each date. Each date, it's with day means on 11 day, how many admission, how many patients come in our hospital. I'll show the table. Here is admission table, and we have to work over admission date only. Like this is the sixth date. Sixth date, not matter on month, only sixth date, all rows available sixth date, and how many patients come in hospital on sixth date, like that. And also 11 on 11 total number of patients is showing 184, and fourth date 184, and 9 date 183, and also sort by most admission to least admission they are talking about. This is very amazing question. You have to solve from yourself, like give at least 15 minutes to think about this question, and try to solve it. You learn how to solve it. You learn how to bake, how to solve it. It's a very amazing question. And I'll say, for extract the day from the day function. From the date, we how to get the data of from the date format of date only. Like we have to take year from the year function. Similarly, we have to take day from the date format, from the date only from day. I think you are getting my question. Suppose this is the date format, this is the year, month, and day. Then we want only day, then we have to use day function and admission, and we want what name? Day number. Day day number, comma, another column want count admission date, comma, and column name number of admission from which table? From admission table. Then they are talking about we have to do group by for get the unique. They combine the all day, similar day, group by day, admission date, and after that order by count admission date, descending order. It's okay. And you can also learn, yeah, how, what is the group by. Here is the group by detail. This is the group by topic. Group by topic is a statement. Group rows, group the rows that have same value into the summary. Just here similar thing. Group the value, group the day, all day, group the all day that have similar value. It means whatever 11 is showing in all rows combine into one. It means in practical way 11 is showing 184 times in this table, in this admission table, and 4 days is available 184, and similarly this one, like 28 is showing 173. It means it in a practical way 173 available in this table. I am talking about 173 rows, and 173 rows also showing, and as well as showing total number of patients take the admission in hospital on 28 days. Now it's okay. Control enter. Why I am explaining? You can connect with the table, and from this the question. Why we use this type of clause, group wise, order wise? Then when you relate it in reality, then you can connect with this question. That's why I am explaining more to connect in real life. When you connect it with reality, then you can easily understand. You can apply this same query in another question. Question number 33. Show all column for patient ID 542's most recent admission date. They are talking about, they are asking about all detail of that patient ID is equal to 542, and when did he recently admission take the admission in hospital recently, talking about last time recently, and they are asking about recently. Then how we can solve it? It's a kind of yeah, it's a kind of easy question. You can try to solve it. Our output is this one. We want all column because here is saying all column is one. They are one. They are asking about. That's why we use select all from admission table. Admission table, you can see it. They are talking about. We have to focus on admission date. We have to find. We have to extract the data who belong to recent admission date recently. So how can I use it? We have to use limit where patient ID is equal to 542 and order by admission date descending order. Descending order means recently to oldest, and we have to put the limit limit 1. It means show only one rows. Suppose we have to put 2, then show 2 rows. Limit do whatever you put here, you put 100, it means 100 rows show in our output list. That's why we have to put 1. It means order by descending order. Descending order, it means recent date come first, then after that oldest date come. Then we have first date is oldest, recent. It means we have to put limit 1. Then we get the recent admission first row. Only one rows we get from the limit. Now it's okay. Control enter. Talking about question number 34. Saying show patient ID, attending doctor ID, and diagnosis for admission that match one of the two criteria. Criteria is, first criteria is this one, and second criteria is this. They are talking about match one criteria from the two. From like here is two criteria. Match this one criteria, otherwise this. They are not asking about. We have to match those criteria. First criteria saying patient ID is an odd number and attending doctor ID is either 1, 5 or 90. Second criteria is saying doctor ID, attending doctor ID contains a 2, which means contain a 2 digit like 23, like 205, like any place who is available in doctor ID, attending doctor ID. And length of patient ID is 3 character. Number of character, number of digit available in patient ID is 3. They are talking about. Let's solve the question. This is very amazing question. It covers many topics of SQL. First, they are talking about patient ID, patient column. They are asking, and after that, attending doctor ID, and after that, diagnosis from which table? Admission table. You can see the result. Patient ID, then after that attending doctor ID and diagnosis. And they are asking about two criteria. First criteria is talking about patient ID is odd number. Don't see all. First focus on step by step and you can solve. You can get the answer. Exact answer. Don't focus on all condition. Just focus on the small. Then we will get the answer. They are talking about patient ID is odd. Is odd, then we use how to check patient ID, how to put the condition the patient ID is equal to comes always odd. Then when I divide by 2, percentage always give the remainder. When I divide by 2, then remainder comes 1. It means percentage give remainder. Odd number, when I divide by 2, odd number always give 1. When I divide to 2, it means it's same. When I put 0 equal to 0, it means patient ID is even number. Percentage give the remainder. And they are talking about second one, attending doctor ID. First condition I am talking about. This is the first condition, first criteria. And attending doctor ID is in. What not is, not is doctor attending doctor ID belong to 1, 5 and 90. This is the first criteria. And second criteria is asking about, you can see it, attending doctor ID contain 2 and length of patient ID is 3 characters. Solve it. Second criteria is first go with the patient ID. It's depend on no matter length, patient ID length, number of character is equal to length, so number of character is equal to, they are asking 3. and and attendance, attending doctor ID contains 2 digits. 2 digits, it means 2 is available in that number, that ID. They are asking. Attending, they are not talking about number of characters. They are talking about who is available in that doctor ID, attending doctor ID. Then attending doctor ID like in double quote percentage 2. Question number 35 is show first name, last name and total number of admissions attended over each doctor. Each doctor, it means we use group 5 and talking about admission table. This admission table, every admission has been attended by a doctor. Every admission, every dose means rules and rules. Every dose, I'm talking about practical thing. Every role I will show the table. Uh, this is the table. Every entry, every row attended by doctor. Like like 21, it's a code of doctor. It's a code of attendee doctor ID. Every entry have attendee doctor ID. This sentence is it. It's and let's solve it. First, they are talking about first name, comma, and after that last name, and after that we are talking about total number of admissions. Then we want count and column name. Column name is admission. uh, admission total as admission total. From which table they are talking about? Here is two tables. We have to use join as they are talking about first name and last name from this table, from doctor table. From doctor table we have to take it, and admission is talking about count. And no need to specify the table here because first name and last name is available in only doctor table. Suppose first name and last name is available in both table, then we have to specify the table name as well. Table name dot column name, like that, like doctor dot first name, like that, and no need to specify the table name. And after that, we write join from admission table, join doctor. Yeah, all it's okay. And we put the condition that admission. I am talking about seven common column with table is, like, see the schema. What is the common column of doctor at admission? Like doctor ID is match with the attendee doctor ID. It's a common column of the both table. And we join the both table, admission and doctor, with the help of common column. Name is, we take the attendee doctor ID from the admission and doctor ID from the doctor for joining from the both. And we take admission attendee doctor is equal to doctor dot doctor ID. We also do the group wise because they are talking about each doctor. They are talking about each doctor. Then we use the group by attendee doctor ID. Attendee doctor ID is similar to doctor ID. Now it's okay. Uh, Now it's okay. Control enter. Yeah, talking about question number 36 is question is saying for each doctor display their ID, full name, and first and last admission date they attended. Question is simply saying they are talking about doctor detail. ID they are asking, doctor ID, and full name. We will get first name and last name, concate function we will use for full name. Here is doctor table having first name and last name, and we will here they are asking full name. Then we will use concate for first name and last name to get the full name. And after that, first and last admission date they attended. They are talking about this column admission date. We will use for first admission date min admission date, for first they attended, for last attended we will use max admission date. Then I'll show the schema of both table, admission and doctor. Here is doctor table, here is admission table. What's the relation between both table? Doctor ID is related to attended doctor ID. Both column is same. We will join this both table with the help of this common table. Doctor ID from doctor and attending doctor ID from admission. Let's solve this question. Correct. Doctor ID, concate, and full name. For find the full name, we will use the concat first name. For comma, we want double quote a space. We want a space between first name and second name, first name and last name. That's why we use double quote with a space. And last name and column name is full underscore name. And third column, they are talking about mean. They are asking about first admission. Mean, we want admission date. Here is admission date. Admission date. They I'll show the table, then you will understand. This is the admission table. Admission table, we are talking about admission date. When we put the mean function in admission table, then minimum date come. It means oldest date come will show. Then oldest date come, it means first admission attended, doctor first time attended in hospital. That's why we use mean. And the column name is first admission. Admission. And similarly, for last admission, we use max. They max function put the filter, extract the data from the admission, extract the date from the admission date, who is recent date. That is the work of max and min. And after that, as last column name is last. What is the column name is, you can see here, last admission date. Here is last admission date, and similarly last admission date. This is the fourth column. Four column they are asking, and we have done with four column. And now we will join both tables. From which table? From admission and on. For joining purpose, we use join from doctor table, and we are joining both table on the basis of which column. Then we will use admission table. We take the doctor ID, not doctor ID, attending doctor ID is equal to, we take doctor ID from the doctor. Now it's perfect. And after joining, they are talking about each doctor. It means we have to use group by to group the all doctor having similar ID. Then we use, I know little bit confusion is having from group by. Why we use group by? Because you can read from here, from learning resource, and group by actually group the all rows having similar things. Suppose we use doctor ID, group by is doctor. I'll go doctor ID. Then group the all rows having same doctor ID. This is the work. And group the all same ID, doctor ID, group the all doctor having same ID, and after that extract the data minimum. Like there are lots of rows in one, then we use min, then they extract the data of the mean admission date. Suppose here is 2, suppose here is a similar doctor ID, and they extract, I'll show them. Wait. Here is 2 doctor ID, 2 like that. There are many 2 is available in attending doctor ID. Then all combined in one rows, and mean, it means showing, and they extract the date who is available in minimum admission date, and for maximum they extend the date maximum. That is the, I think you understand the practical understanding why we use the goodbye, why we use mean, max, concave, control, inter. Some error is showing here. Is error, we remove the error nearby from. Now it's okay. Control, enter. Question number 37 is saying display total amount of patient for each province and order by descending order. Question is simply saying, I think easy to understand. Total number of patients available in each province. Province, it means kind of a state. You can understand. Order by, and after that, order by descending order. This is the expected output. First column is province name. It's a place name. And total number of patients is available in each province. And here is patient table. Patient table having patient detail, province name having province detail, it means place detail. It's a two table, two column, province ID and province name. And a schema is saying a schema, as view schema, matlab we understand what the relation common column of both is. Patient and province name is related to common column is province ID in both. We join both table with the help of province ID. Now we start to solve it. First they are asking about province name. It's simply we write not province table, province name. Then after that they are talking about total number of patients. Then they are asking about total number of patients. You can see the expected answer. Total number of patients. We want count, total count, total count. It means count all rows. All rows. It means rows, each row showing one patient. Every rows having patient detail. It means number of rows is equal to number of patients. It means count all. It means number of, they count the all rows. Then they count, it means they count all patients. And we want patient count. Patient count we want. These two column we want. From which table? From patient table, and we want join from province name. On the basis of on which common column? Patient province ID is equal to province ID of patient is equal to province name, province ID from, yeah, now it's okay. I have joined the both table and we want descending order. Descending order on the base, descending order by number of patient count. That's why we put order by. First we want group by, because we are grouping the province ID on the basis of province ID. They group all similar name in province name. That's why we put group wise on the basis of province name. And after that we want order by descending order by total count. You can say simply patient count descending order. Patient count, it means total number of patients. We have already defined it. Patient count. Now it's okay. Control enter. I think some error is showing. Error is here. This is a table. This is not a column. Province name is a table. You can see it. This is showing table. And we want group wise on the basis of province ID. Province ID. It means group all rows having same province ID. Now it's okay. Control enter. Yeah, this is the question number 38. For yeah, I'll tell you. Like we have already joined. You know very well how to join the two tables. With the help of join clause. And here is three table. We have to solve this query with the help of joining three table. Then it's a kind of little bit complex, but it's not a quite difficult. Let's explain it how to solve it. You can try to solve it. Pause the video and try it. And suppose you are not able to do it, then see my video. Let's jump to the question. Here is saying for every admission, display the patient full name. Display the patient full name and their admission diagnosis and their doctor's full name who diagnoses their problem. Here is they are asking about three column they want it in expected. Three column they are asking from the three table. Patient name they want from patient table. Diagnosis they want from the admission. Doctor name, doctor full name they want from doctor table. You can say here like patient table, patient full name from the patient table, diagnosis, admission diagnosis from the admission table, and doctor full name from doctor table. This is they are asking. And you after this question you know how to join three table in SQL query. Let's solve it. We want full name. Full name is not a column. We wanna create from the first name and last name. You already know we use the concatenate join to join two columns in one. Concatenate which column we want first name, but first name and last name is available in another table as well. That's why we want from the patient table. For not confusing, we are using table name as well. We want first name from which table? We want from patient table. First name, and we want a space from first name and last name. And last name we want from the patient table and last name. Then after that we want name. We want to put this name patient name. You can see here in expected output. Patient name, comma. And second they want diagnosis. We want diagnosis. Diagnosis column is available in admission. You can see this column they are talking about. I will show the table like this is this column they are talking about. It's a simple. We don't create anything. Simply we want diagnosis column from which table? From admission table. What I want, which column? Diagnosis I want. Then after that doctor. After that third column they are asking about doctor full name. Doctor full name we want similar with the help of concave from which table? From doctor table. Doctor table we want first name, then we want a space, then doctor last name we want as doctor name. The column name is doctor name. You can see unexpected output. Doctor name. From which table they are talking about? From three table. Then for three table we have to join. How to join? I'll show you. Patient table we want to join from admission. What is the method? On the basis of on we join patient. Don't see about doctor. First we join this both table. Then what is the common column? Common column is patient ID. You can see here. This is the patient and this is the patient in admission. Then we want patient and patient ID, and we want admission from patient ID. Now, now it's okay. Now it's okay. Then we want to join doctor table. Doctor table on the basis of this is the common column. You can see the schema as well. Attendee doctor ID and doctor ID. Here is doctor and admission. This is the schema. This attending doctor ID is connected with doctor ID, and patient is patient. What is the relation between patient table and admission table is patient ID. And after that, on the basis of which table we want admission table. What is the common column? Attending doctor ID is common column in admission. To what is the common column in doctor? Common column is doctor ID. Now it's okay. Now it's okay. Just control enter. I think you understand it. This column we take from the patient. This column we take from the admission. This column doctor full name we take from the doctor. From patient, for joining purpose we use join admission on the basis of patient ID we joined, and we join doctor table on the basis of attending doctor ID, doctor doctor ID and attending doctor ID. We join we doctor join with the admission table. Now it's okay. Control enter. Question number 39. Display first name, last name and number of duplicate patient based on their name, first name and last name. An example they are saying a patient with an identical name can be considered as duplicate. This is very important question. This is very common question interviewer ask many times. How we can find the duplicate in SQL? Like it's a very important question for data analyst or where interviewer is asking related to SQL question. This is the very common question asked by interviewer. That's why I think you can listen carefully for this question, and after complete this question you will understand how you can give the answer to the interviewer, and you can try to solve it. They are talking about first name. First column is first name, second column is last name, and third column they are talking about number of duplicate patient based on first name and last name. They are simply asking about duplicate available on the basis of first name and last name. Same name available in table they are asking about, and expected answer is this one: first name, last name and number of duplicate. Let's solve it. First name comma last name comma count. It means number of duplicate first name. From which table? From patient table. Then after that, they are talking about duplicate. Then we will use group by to group the all similar name available in table. We want group we want to group by for two table, first name and last name. Suppose both name same rows is available, first name and second name, both rows duplicate is available, then do the group. It's main and last name. And we want, how can I find the duplicate? We put the filter on group by, we put the condition on group by with the help of having count always greater than one. It means not one, greater than one, then all duplicate value is come. Maybe twice will also come, duplicate will also come, more than four times, fifth times is all available, all list will come in expected output. That's good. Control enter, and this is the solution. You can also see it. Question number 40. It seems big question, but not a difficult question. Question is saying display patient full name, height in unit, feet rounded to 1 decimal, weight in unit pounds rounded to 0 decimal, birth and next column they want birth date, gender non abbreviated, convert centimeter to feet by dividing 13.48, convert kg pounded by multi pound pounds by multiply by 2.205. This is the table I say you. They are talking about full name, then we will get from this column first name and second third column is last name. We can get from both column. And they are talking about height. They are talking about height. We will divide from this. They want height in feet. They are not want in centimeter. They are, this is the centimeter. When I divide this one 13.48, then we will get in feet. Then height divided by 13.48, then we will get the result. And also saying rounded to 1 decimal, then we will use round function to get it with 1 decimal. And weight, they are talking about this column weight. When I multiply from this one, then we will convert into pound. This is in kg, we want in pound. And next column simply they want date of birth. And talking about gender we want this one. I'll show the expected column. Gender is M and F. M denote for male, F denote for female. But they are talking about if they want full name male. M they don't want, they want male MALE. And for female they want female, like that. This one. Then we use case and int function. Case and int function. I solve it, then you can understand clearly. And let's solve it. First they want full name, then we use concate. First name we want the space, last name, column name we want is patient name. Yeah, right. You can solve from your side, please. Now it's okay. This is the first column of the table. And after they are talking about height, but they we height is available in centimeter. We want in feet. Then we divide 13.48 48, but they want one decimal. But when I divide to height, then it's lot of decimal come, many decimal come, after decimal digit come. Then they want one decimal after one decimal. It means one decimal, one digit after decimal. Sorry for that. One decimal, one digit after decimal. Then we use round. Now it's okay, but column name is different. Then we use as column name. They are talking about height. Then we write height, height, yeah, height. And this is the second column done. And third column they want weight. They want in pound, not in kg. Kg weight is available in kg, but we want in pound. Then we multiply with 2.205 and they rounded with zero decimal. They are talking about zero decimal. They don't want any digit after decimal. Round. Yeah, now it's okay. As as weight form. And fourth column is third column is complete. Fourth column is simply they are talking about birth date. Birth date, no need to change anything. And last they are talking about they don't want M, they want male for M. Then we use case. Case when gender. Case used for another column. They create another column. Suppose you are not comfortable to case function, then I'll explain here and you can also read it in this. I'll explain it. Case statement goes through condition and return a value when first condition is met. Like if then else statement. So a condition is true, then it will stop reading and return the result. If no condition is are true, it return the value in else. Like this is the condition. Case and when condition is true, then return result 1. When condition is 2 is true, then result 2 is return. When condition 3, then condition return 3. And we can end the case from the end. This is the that create another column, like you can see here. This is the another column with the gender type, and that create new column in table. You can understand this is the four column is available, and this is the four column is available in table, and this is the fifth column is we are making with case statement. Case gender is M, want, then return male, right? When gender is F, then return female. And we can end this one. We have completed the condition, then we can end. And after that we want column name is gender type. Gender type. Now it's okay. This is the complete. And they are talking about which column, which table there. We also give the table name. Table name is patient. Yeah, now it's okay. This is the patient table. Everything fine. And It's a kind of little bit difficult question because of this case condition. Uh, Simply you understand case is used for condition purpose. For that case used for create new column in desired table with the help of this condition. And case contain here two conditions. When gender is M, then return male. When gender is F, then return female. This is the condition. Control enter. Question number 41 is talking about show patient ID, first name, last name from patient who does not have any records in admission table. Their patient ID does not exist in any admission patient ID row. Here is two tables. They are talking about patient ID detail. They are talking about patient ID detail, asking about patient ID detail, whose patient ID is not available in admission table. They are talking about that record patient ID is not patient ID of patient table is not patient ID is not available in admission table. Then we can solve this query with the help of two queries. We use a query. We write two queries and we use second query as a subquery to make desired result, to get desired result. I'll solve it. First query I write, two query we will use, and one query we will use as a subquery. First we want total total patient ID from the admission table. Total patient ID. Admission table we want. I'll give the roughly idea how we are taking, which way we are taking the way to solve this query. First we are taking all patient ID from the admission table, and after that we write the query. We write all patient ID is available in admission table, and second we write detail of the patient from the patient table where not available. We use where condition, where patient ID is not available in admission table. Not in, we use not in. I think you are roughly get the idea, but not complete. I'll show you how you will solve from admission. That uh, that this query give us query give all desired result. Not all desired result means we get admission all patient ID from admission. We use as a subquery this one. And another we want main statement, select a statement. We want main desired result want patient ID. Patient ID from which table? Patient table. Which column? Patient ID. And second column they want first name and last name. First name, comma, last name, and anything else they are asking? Not. We use first name and second name. We use from which table? From patient table. And we use where condition. Where patient table, patient ID not in. I think now you got it. This is the subquery. This is the multiple. This is one column. This is one column table available all patient ID from admission table. And they are talking about patient ID from the patient table, not in. Not in means not available in this table. Got it? I think now it's okay. Control enter. Talking about question number 42 is this is the last medium type of question. This is the last question of medium type. Then after that we will start to hard type of SQL query. And let's start. Question is saying a single rows with max digit, mean visit, and average visit, where maximum, minimum, and average number of admission per day is calculated. Average is rounded to two decimal place. This is saying question is saying, yeah, I think roughly idea you get. This is the output we want. They are talking about they want maximum visit. Which day comes the maximum visit? It means first column of expected table is saying, and second column is saying minimum visit. Which date comes minimum? It means minimum visited on this date. It means on one particular date, 4 visited comes. That it means minimum visit, and this is the maximum visit in the hospital. And after that, they are talking about average visit. Then we have to put the average on the basis of date. Suppose first date comes 40, second date comes 50, and similar 10 date comes 100, and we find all summation of all visit divided by number of days. This is the and rounded by 2. This is the average visit. Then we are talking about we create temporary table first to and use subquery as a subquery to get the desired result. First we create temporary result. They are talking about maximum, minimum, and average number of admission per day is calculated. It means they are talking about per day is calculated according to per day is calculated. I'll solve the first, make the temporary table as a subquery. First, uh, this is the admission. This is the admission date. With the help of admission date, we can get this answer. I'll solve it. How to solve it? First, take admission date, count from admission. Then after that, group wise, we use the group wise according to admission date. This is the subquery. We will get this table. On sixth date, total visitors 17 come. On 7th date, total visitor 9 come, and 9 on 9th, 18th come. And they are talking about maximum visit. Maximum visit is 13. They are talking about in first column comes 13, and minimum visit, it means minimum comes 4, I think. That's why here is 4. Then after that, I'll find where is 4. Yeah, let it be 4 is come. Minimum value of count is minimum visitor is 4. And talking about this one, 13.88 comes total summation of total count, summation of total this one, and divided by number of days comes average. Then this is the temporary table we use as a subquery. That's why and we want desired result count as number of visitor. This is the number of visitors. First one, maximum number of visitor is, table name is max visit, comma, mean mean visits, then average average number of visits, and they want rounded by 2. They want 2 decimal only. Average, most of time average comes in a decimal, then they want 2 decimal only, then we use round. Yeah, now it's okay. And column name is average visit visits. From which table they are talking about? From this temporary table they want. Now it's okay. Control enter. This is the question number 43. This is the first question of hard type of question, and only difference categorized from the medium and easy type of question. This hard type of question we will use similar topic whatever we will use in medium and easy type of question. But in hard type of question, why this query comes in hard? Because topic is same we use in hard type of question. Every topic, same topic comes in hard type of question, but different is that in this hard type of question required two things. First, same topic whatever we use, and second thing, logic plus topic required to solve the hard type of question. You can see in this question which type of logic we will use to solve this question. This is the first hard type of question. Let's see. uh, sh- Show all of the patients grouped into weight group. Show total number of patients in each weight group. They are talking about total number of patients available in 114 group, 113 group, 120 group. That is the weight group. This is the number of patients they are talking about. And order by list, by weight group descending order. And for example, they are talking about how we are identify the weight group. For example, in example they are saying, for example, weight if they weight 100 to 109, they are placed in 100 weight group. If 110 to 190, that comes in 110 weight group. Suppose a weight is lying between 120 to 129, comes in 120 weight group. Then let's solve it. This is not difficult, but only required logic in hard type of question. Same topic we will use whatever, like we will use in weight group. We will use group by in this topic, in this query. Let's solve it. First, they are talking about count. Count as column name is patient in group. This is the first column, desire first column. And second column, they are talking about weight group. How can we can find it? I'll show the weight column. This is the weight column. Suppose this is the 65, then it comes weight group 60. This is the 76, it comes in 70 group, 17 weight group. They are talking about 106 lie into this one, 100 to 109. It comes in 100, and 5 comes in 0 group. They are talking about like that. And how we can solve it? Let's see it. When I solve the calculation, this one, I'll show this one. Second column, we want weighted from this formula, from this calculation, not formula, this calculation, we can convert to into weight group. Like this is the weight column, and with the, when you put the value on weight, then this weight value convert into weight group. I'll show you. Suppose I'll take the example of 65. 65. Like this calculation is fulfill this one. Like suppose uh we are taking the range or weight range is 109, 100 to 109, then it comes 100. And similar things, we take the example of 109, then I'll show how it is workful. Like 109 and percentage, I'll explain you percentage how solve. When I put the percentage, it means we will, when weight, we will divide by 100, 10, and whatever remainder comes, it's get the answer. Suppose we are taking the weight is 109, then we divide from 10, then after that we get the remainder is 9. Then it's output of 9 is output of this calculation. Percentage get the remainder. Percentage result the remainder. Obtain the remainder, you can understand after divide that. And its calculation is 100. That means 109 is weight group is 100. Like this is the calculation is perfect. I'll show one example more. Suppose this is the weight. Weight is 65. I want weight group of 65. Forget the desired 65 minus, when I divide to 65, then remainder we will get 5. Then weight group is 60. Now got it? 60. Why I explain so long? Because you can connect with real practical way, not like remembering way. Not you understand deeply, then you can solve it and apply in another question as well. That's why I explain long and you understand practically and connect with the table to the query. That's why I explain with the help of table, and we also use the step by step to solve this one. And after that, this is the calculation, and we want table name is weight group. And after that, from which table we want. This is the table of patient. Then we write from patient, and we want group wise from weight group. Weight group. Weight group. This is the weight group we have already defined it. This calculation. And after that, we want order by weight group. Yeah, now it's okay. Then, okay, sorry. Like order by, they are talking about descending order, but here we get weight is weight group is ascending order. That's why we put descending. That's why it's reflect error. Now it's okay. Descending order, weight order comes larger first and a smaller at last. Now it's okay. Question number 44. This is the second question of hard type. This is first, this is second. We will solve this one question. question is saying show patient ID, weight, height, and fourth column is if is off from the patient table. And I'll show you. This is the expected table we want. First is patient ID, weight, height, and is off. Is off. I'll explain what is off. Display is off as a boolean 0 or 1. Like is off contain only 0 and 1 value. And is explained is ops is defined as weight in kg, height in meter is greater than equal to 30. Weight is in kg, height is in centimeter. Like I'll show you. Like in table, weight is in kg, height is in centimeter. Then first we have to convert into centimeter into height, a centimeter into meter while dividing 100. I'll solve it. Select. They want patient ID. Patient ID. They are talking about suppose this condition is fulfilled, then is ops give 1. Suppose this is not fulfilled the condition, then is ops give 0. Like here you can see it in fourth column 0 is showing. It means this condition weight divided by height a square greater than equal to 30 is not fulfill this rules. That's why here is 0. Suppose this is 1 coming, then it means this column, this rows is fulfill this condition. That's why here is 1 is opposite. Let's solve it. Patient, then after that weight, then height, then we want to create new column. This is not available in this table, given table. That then we want to create it. Then we can use from the case in when weight weight is already in kg, and no need to change it. Height. Why I put the power? I'll solve it. Height. Height is in square. Then we use for whole square we use power function. Height is in given is in centimeter. We want in meter. That's why we divide from 100, and we want to power. Then it's okay. Greater than equal to 0. Then give me one result. Else give 0. And in the condition and column name I want is OVES. Yeah. Oh, greater than equal to 30. Now it's okay. And one more explanation is that if you divide, I am talking about this one. You can relate from this one. If you divide an int means integer, why int you will get int answer. Dividing an int by float it means decimal value. When you divide with decimal value, it will return the decimal value. That's why you have to divide by float. Float it means decimal value, not from the 100. Why this is saying when you divide from the 100, this is the integer, then you will get the integer answer. Suppose the decimal actually exact answer comes in a decimal as well, then decimal value convert into integer, then I think you didn't get exact value, exact accurate answer, and this condition is not fulfilled. That's why we want exact value. Then you can divide from the float, and you will get in a decimal. It means exact value, exact answer, and fulfill the condition. Then suppose fulfill the condition, it means you will get 1, otherwise you will get 0. And from which table they are talking about? From patient table. Now it's okay. Control enter. Where I am making mistake, here this you can bracket it. This is the column, and we want this column name as is ops. That's why it's come here. And also here is a we want patient ID. This is the table. Don't want patient table. We want column patient ID. Now it's okay. Control enter. Now also showing the error here. Now control enter. It's okay. Question number 45 is saying show patient ID. I'll tell you, this is kind of lengthy question. It's not a difficult question, but it's a kind of lengthy question. It's a kind of confusing question because there is three tables. You have to use join. You have to join each other with the help of join. I'll show you. Show patient ID, first name, last name, and attending doctor specialist specialty, and show patient ID who has diagnosis epilepsy, and doctor first name is Lisa, and check patients table, admissions table, and doctor tables from the requirement information. I'll explain once again. Here you can see the first of all expected output is here. Here is four. Here is four columns. First is patient ID. It's taken from the patient table. First name patient first name taken from the patient ID patient table, and third is last name taken from the patient patient table. And talking about fourth one taken from the I'll show you doctor specialist specialty taken from the doctor doctor's table. This one, fourth column is this one. Just join it and write the query, and after that we use the two more condition. Doctor first name is Lisa, and another query we will use diagnosis column come in admission. This one, diagnosis is equal to epilepsy. We will write the query. First to focus on column expected column. First we want select, we want patient ID. Where is patient ID? We want from the patient table, because patient ID is available in two tables. This one patient ID available in admission as well, and patient ID is also available in patient table. That's why we write table with column name. And second we want first name. First name which table available? Also first name is available in two tables. Here is also first name. This is the patient first name. Here is also first name. This is the doctor first name. That's why we want patient first name. That's why patient dot patient patient's table first name. We want column name. You can see the expected output. Patient first name. Patient first name. Then after that we want last name. From the patient table, last name, patient, last name, last name. Now it's okay. Then after that we want a specialist, a specialty, a specialty available in doctor table. Doctor table, this one, specialty, column name is attending doctor, attending doctor, specialty, attending doctor specialty. Yeah, now it's okay. And there is no any expected columns we want. Now it's okay. And now we want only two conditions. Doctor first name is Lisa and diagnosis is Lipsy. Diagnosis available in admission table. Then we want, first we want to join it all table. From we want patient and join from admission. On the basis of, you can see what is the relation. View the schema. Relation is patient ID and patient ID is common. On the basis of patient ID, we will use the, we will join it on the basis of patient ID. Then patient ID table dot patient table dot patient ID is equal to what? Admission dot patient ID. Then first we have joined admission joined with the patient table. Then we want to join it with the doctors table. We want to join doctors table on the basis of what? Attending doctor ID is equal to doctor ID. You can see it. This is the schema. Admission and doctor is related to doctor ID from the doctor's table is connected with attending doctor ID, and patient is connected to admission from admission table using patient ID. This is the relation. Yeah, we will join it from admission attending doctor ID is equal to doctor dot doctor ID. Now we have joined all three column, all three table. Then now we write the where condition. We write the condition. We write the filter. Filter we put elective. First we put diagnosis. Diagnosis is available in admission table. Then we write admission table dot diagnosis. Diagnosis is equal to elective. You write the spell. What is the spelling of it? Epilepsy. Epilepsy. Now it's okay. And second condition is doctor first name. Doctor first name. First name is available in doctor's table. First name is equal to Lisa. Lisa. Now it's okay. Everything is fine. Now control enter. Talking about question number 46 is all patients who has gone through admission can see their medical documents on our site. Those patients are given a temporary password after their first admission. Show their patient ID and temp password. Password is their temp password. How you can generate it? You can read this one. The password must be following in order. Patient ID, and after that, second is numerical length of patient last name. Then after that, year of patient birthday. They are talking about we use concat to join the all column. Join the all column into single column. This is the output. Suppose here is patient ID. Patient ID, first show the patient ID. This is same intent password. And after that, number of character, number of last digit of patient ID. It means digit name is last digit name is last digit. Number of digit available in last name is 5. Here is 5. Then after that, year of patient birthday 19 19 18. Yeah, now it's okay. I think you get the question what they are trying to say. And here it's a confusion thing. Here all patient who has gone through the admission. It means in a practical way all patient ID that is available in admission. They are talking about. Here is two tables. Patient, all patient ID who is available in admission, who take the admission. They are talking about can see their medical record. They are talking about patient ID who is available in admission table. Then we will generate the password. Then we will get that person, that patient ID who is available in admission. Then we use the join. Then let's let's try to solve it. First select. Then after that we want patient table from patient ID we want from patient table. Then after that we want temp password. Then we use concat. First we want patient table from patient ID. Then after that we want length last name, right? Yeah, last name. Then after that we want year from I show the table. This is the patient table. They want year. They want 1963. They want year from this date from birth date. Then we extract the year from date format with the help of year function. Now it's okay. We want close parenthesis and we want temp password. I think it's a column name. Yeah, temp password. From which table we want? We want from patient table and we have to join because they are talking about patient ID who is available. Whatever patient ID is showing that is available in patient in admission table. That's why we have to join it. To get join it from the admission, and we also put the condition patient ID patient table from patient ID is equal to it means available in admission patient table. Now it's okay. And anything else? No. Control enter. Yeah, you can see here Here is duplicacy, 1 1, repetition is coming 3 3. We don't want duplicacy rows. That's why we want distinct. Distinct. Now it's okay, control enter. So sorry for that. Here is as this step. Now it's okay. Question number 47. Saying each admission costs $50 for patient without insurance and $100, not $100, $10 for patient with insurance, and all patient with an even patient ID have insurance. He's saying the patient ID is even, it means that patient having insurance already, and they have to pay only $10 for admission in hospital, and patient ID have odd number. It means they don't have an insurance. They have to pay $15 for admission. And here is give each patient yes if they have insurance, and a no if they don't have insurance. Add up total admission total cost for each as insurance group. Here is two column they want. First is no. No, it means patient does not have insurance. They have to communicate. They all patient. They don't have insurance. They all people. Summation of all people pay this amount, and the person who have insurance. Summation of all people who pay this one. Like summation of $10. $10 into total number of patients have insurance comes this amount, and this amount comes total number of patients who does not have don't have insurance into $15. Then it comes this amount. And how we can find it? This table, this column, expected output column does not have in given table, in given admission table, does not available. It means does not, this both column does not available in given table. Then we have to create this column. Then how we can create it? I'll show you. I have already told you before new creation column in table with the help of case and int cloud. Case and int cloud, conditional cloud, we will use it to create both columns for getting the expected output. First we use case when patient ID patient ID is equal to 0, then give. It means when I divide percentage, so it means remainder. Percentage so is when I divide to 2, patient ID divided by 2, then remainder get 0. It's equal to 0. It means always it comes even number. When this is even number, you understand. This is even number. When I divide to 2, then we always get 0. When I put 1 here, then it means that this patient ID is odd number, because percentage it means it's give the remainder. When I divide to a patient ID 2, then its remainder comes 1, then patient ID is odd number. In the case of odd number, remainder comes 1. In the case of patient ID is even number, then it comes 0. Then we want yes. on the basis of this. And else, else give the result no. In case always complete with hint. Now this is the first column has insurance. This is the first column. Second column we have to create it. Second column also create from case and int. Same conditions we will use. When patient ID we get the remainder is equal to 0, it means odd. Patient ID is odd. Even then give 10 and else give $15. This is the condition. And column name we want cost after insurance. And from which table? This is we have to implement something, but I'll show which type of table we created. We have to use the group by. Before using the group by, first of all we have to see it where which type of table has been created while using this query. Let's say I know after getting it, it's give the answer here, but we have to see to understand the purpose. Like after this query, when I execute it, then you can see it this this type of query where I am making mistake. Yeah, this is showing here. Let's use group by because we want group by. Group by yes or no. Group by has insurance, and after that post after insurance we want some because the here is mentioned no? For odd patients give $10 and $50. Then in table arrange patient wise, patient odd number and even number. Odd number give 15 rupees, $15, which means the odd number does not have insurance. And even patient ID, it means they have insurance, they give only $10. Then they want summation of this one. After group wise, we do group wise on the basis of has insurance. Let's see group wise as insurance. Yeah, now it's okay. We want summation of amount. Now control enter. Again here we are making mistake here. We start with case, then we have to end with end. Yeah, now it's okay. This is right. I think you didn't get exactly why this is happening. I'll explain again in basic way. This is the question. Yeah. First we remove the group wise and after remove also sum. This is the created two column. First column we create the person have, the patient have even ID, even patient ID. It means say yes, otherwise say no. And case another column we want a person ID, a patient ID have even number, then say 10 rupees and otherwise say 50 rupees. 15 rupees it means the patient ID having odd ID. Odd ID does not have insurance. Then I'll execute it. Yeah, this is the error query we get this table, and explain it because of understanding, because this is the first column, this is the second column. First column, want we have to use the group by, then to get the desired result. Here is saying no 50 rupees, no 15 rupees, and yes for 10 rupees. This is the temporary table we get from this one. Then after that we use group wise for getting desired result, and for summation of this one. When we use group wise on the basis of has insurance, then every no group by one call and summation of this one cost after insurance. That's why we use group wise to group the rows having similar value. Group wise has underscore insurance. Then after that we want summation of second column. Now it's okay. Now it's correct. I think you understand clearly. I take many time. I take more time to explain it to directly make you understand clearly. Question number 48. They are saying so the province that have more patients identified as M than F. M denotes for male and F denotes for female. Must only show full province name. They are talking about this expected output where they are talking about city. They want city where male is greater in patient, greater population than female. They are talking about. Like this is the expected output, and every city have greater male patient than female. Here is two tables. They want this one province name, and where province name they want where number of male patient is greater than female patient. They are talking, and I show the table. Yeah, this is province name. They are talking about this column. They want this column. Then first of all, we simply write the column, and after that join it to table with the help of with the common column is province ID. First they want column name is from which table they want province name, which column they want province name, from which table patient, and after that we will join from province name on the basis of on the common column is write down to clear understand. Now it's okay. Join on the basis of patient province ID is equal to province name dot province ID, and we wanna group by from province name. Why we do? Because we wanna group the city province name where having similar name, like group the all province name having similar name. Then we will get this one expected output. And after that, one condition is also here. After grouping wise, after group by, they want male greater than female. Then for that, we have to put the have condition. Not like after putting any kind of condition, yeah, for a filter. After group by, we use having. Then we want when we will use case in condition things. We want gender. Gender is equal to male. Then after that in this they want greater, they want count than 1. Did you get it? What does it mean? They are talking about count, where condition, where case. First we write the case, then after that when. Here is mistake. First condition clause start with case. When gender is male, then give 1 and count it. It means total number of patient, male patient, with the we can count with the help of this count function. Then after that, this is greater. Condition is saying this is greater. We want greater than from this one. Here is female. Now it's okay. I think you get the answer. You will understand this quite. It's not a difficult. And here is 6 solution. 6. You read it, then you understand 6 way to solve this quite. It's a amazing question. Question number 48. Sorry, question number 49. This question seems like very big question, but don't worry, this is easy kind of question. It seems big, but it's a very easy question. Question is saying we are looking for a specific patient. Put all columns for the patient who match with this criteria. They are talking about they want full detail of patient having this one. First criteria is saying first name contain R after 2 letters. They are talking about after 2 digits. After 2 letters comes third letter is R. They are talking about. And first name is saying talking about first name. Third letter is R of that first name. They are talking about. And second criteria is gender is female. F denotes for female. And third criteria is born in Feb, March or December. Then we will get this data. We can extract the month from the birth date with the help of month function. And after that, weight, talking about this one, weight lie from 60 to 80. And after that, patient is an odd number. Odd number, it means with the help of percentage symbol we can get. I'll show how to use it, how to solve this query. I'll just wait. And after that, city they want king stone. It's not a difficult question, but it's a kind of lengthy question. It's not a kind of logic question. Simply whatever they are saying, just write it. They want full detail. Full detail, it means we write all from patient. And one thing, it's easy because it's only having one table where they are talking about first name, like they are talking about not first letter, they are talking about third letter is R after 2 letters. They are first after, you can read after first 2 letters. It means leave the first letter, underscore showing 1 digit and 2 digit, and after that R and dollar. Then after that percentage, not a dollar, then double quote. Then second, this is the first criteria we have covered. And second criteria is talking about gender is equal to if it's female. They are talking about this one, gender is if. Then write gender is equal to if. Then this is completed. Third criteria talking about month. We extract the month from the birth date. Birth date in, they are talking about month of birth date belong to. In it means belong to month. Fab denote to second month. May denote to fifth month, and December denote to 12th month. I'm talking about this one. It means born date, birth date. It means born date, month of born date. In it means belong to second month, fifth month, and 12th month. Now it's okay. And talking about weight, weight belong to 60 to 80. Then we will use between. Weight between 16 kg to 80. Then next one is patient is odd number. Patient ID, not a patient. Patient ID then percentage percentage to equal to then after that odd number, it's the odd number. Now it's okay. When patient ID divided by 2, then remainder is equal to 1. Then patient ID always is odd number. Suppose patient ID is odd number is 3. When I divide it to 2, then it always gives the result 1. It's mean percentage give the remainder. And after that last condition is saying CT, talking about CT is equal to, talking about this one CT, and after that CT is equal to king a stone, right? They are talking about king. Now it's okay. Control enter. Now where is I am making mistake? Gender. Yeah, we are making mistake here because we have to add and, because this is the first criteria, this is the first criteria, this is the second criteria, this is the third criteria. Before write the third criteria, we have to use and. In every criteria we have to and yeah. Now it's okay. Control enter. Again we are facing problem. Yeah. This is the error because the spelling of stone. Now it's okay. Yeah. Control enter. Talking about question number 50. This question is so easy, but it's a kind of logical question. Question is saying, show the percentage of patients that have M as their gender. Round M denote for male. Round the answer to nearest 100 number and in percentage form. Like they are talking about this expected answer. This is the male percentage available in table. Like I'll show the table. I think you get the question what they are trying to say, what they are asking. Like they are talking about this gender. They are talking about how many M available in practical way. I am talking about in the way of table. How many M available in percentage, not number. They are talking about percentage of M available in this column. It means percentage of male available in patient table. Then we will use in this question. We will as a query we will use in this question. First of all, don't think about to get direct answer to this one. First, we will write a query to find total number to find two columns. First column having number total count of male, and second column male patient, and second column is showing only total number of female patients. Then we will write this question. We will write this query. Then after that, we will use that this query as a subquery to find expected output. I think first I will show, then you will understand exactly what I am trying. First, we will use case to make condition column. We wanna make when gender is equal to male, then 1. After that, in column name we want M. I think I want this one count. First column, this is the first column, total number of male patient, and this is the second column, we want F, female. Yeah, this second column show total number of female patients available in table. From which table we want? We want patient table. I'll execute the I know this query is not complete, but I'll execute to show what will get output after write this query. This is not a complete answer. Yeah, this answer we will get. Then after that, we want count. Count, it means total number of male patient available in first column, and total number of female patient available in second column. Now it's okay. First column show total number of male patient. Second column show total number of female patient available. Then after that, we will use this one as a subquery. Then you understand. Now we have this table. Now we have this table, and you can get this one answer. Then it's easy. Simple percentage. A male upon male count plus female count into 100. It's equal to percentage. It's a simple answer. Now we can get it. Now select 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 we want male percentage. Male column, it means this one. M is 2 4 24 68, and we want percentage we want, then multiply by 100. We want in percentage format, not in integer. Then we convert integer. This is M is an integer, then we multiply with the decimal one, it means float one. Then we will get the result in decimal. Otherwise, when I multiply only with 100, then we will get only in integer. That's why I multiply with decimal 100. Now we will divide with total number of patients. How will we will get M plus F? Now it's okay. This is the percentage. Then after that, they are talking about rounded 100 number, nearest to 100 number. They are talking about they want two decimal. It means nearest 100 number. It means they want two decimal. Then we will do the round. Round we want how many decimal? Two decimal we want. Then after that, they are talking about they also want this percentage sign. Then we will add it with the help of concave. We will use concave Concate. Now it's okay. Concate we wanna add. You know very well why we use the concate. We use the concate to add something, to merge something. Then we wanna merge percentage in this one. Then we use concate. Then after that, we want this column name percent underscore of male patient. Yeah, because why? Because expected column is this one. That's why I put this. From which table they are talking about? From this table they are talking about. And just use it. Now it's okay. Now it's okay. Control enter. And also here is 3 ways to solve this query. You can see it to build your concept deeply. Question number 51 is for each day display the total amount of the admission on that day and display the amount changed from the previous day. They are talking about this table. First is the simple admission date. Then after that, total number of patient available take in admission on that day. They are talking. And third is little bit difficult. They are talking about how much change happened from the previous day. It means 9 minus 17 is minus 8. This is the answer. 9 minus 9. It means this is the present admission and this is the previous day admission. How much changing? Both changing is 0. That's why it comes 0. How much changing is 18 from 9? 9 change. Like present day admission. It means 18 minus 9 is 9. Like you can check everyone. Every rows. 12 minus 18. It means 6. Minus 6 changed from the previous day. Minus 10 from the previous day. This is the admission. Total number of admission take in that hospital on this day. They are talking about day. Admission day. On this admission day. And I think you got it. This is the new concept. We will use window function. It's a kind of little bit complex. Suppose you will not understand, just go here in this function. Then after that, read the window function. We will use lag because you can read little bit, then you will understand. Let lag function return the record of settled by the specific image. Lag you can simply understand they return the value of previous. I'll show the table, then you will understand. I think lag return the previous value. You read it window function, then you will understand. Wait a minute, only I'll solve the query, half query, then you will understand what I am trying to say. First, admission. This is the first column. Then second column, count. Then after that, they want column name admission date. Second column. And third column, we will use lag. Lag count patient ID. The lag comes in a window function. Window function is a big topic. You can read it from here. Otherwise, you can go to Google, YouTube. You will search the YouTube videos. And after this videos, I think I'll make over the SQL topic, and we will cover so deeply about aggregate function, window function, everything I'll cover in next video. And this is the SQL practice videos, not a topic discussion. That's why I not discuss. And after that, we will use over and order by admission date. Add previous value. No, it's okay. From this table, from admission table, we want group by. Wait a minute, I'll explain again. This flag over order by everything. Group by admission. Admission date. Then after that, order by admission date. This is not a complete answer. I'll execute. This is the base of this question. That's why I'll execute and I'll show you what we get in third column. Yeah, here is admission days, not admission date. That's why I get the year. This is not a complete answer. I'll show you what we get after using lag. Lag, it means they return the previous value. It means here is 17. Here is they return 17. Here is null because previous value, total number of admission in previous day is not in data. That's why here is null. And you can see here is 12. It means previous value is previous day. They are talking about leg. It means previous day. When I use lead, then lead, they will return the value next day. Previous day is 12. That's why they return 12 here. Got it? And they are talking about value change. They are talking about present day 9 minus 17. 9 minus 17. 9 is showing like 9 is you will understand here. Like suppose they are talking about simply 9 minus 17. How much change from present day? Then we will use here count. This is the present day admission. Present day admission is this one, and after that mine. Then we will get simply present day admission minus this is the previous day admission. This is the previous day admission. Then we will get the change. Then simply we want column name we want, you can see here, admission count change. Then after that control enter. Question number 52. This is talking about sort the province name in ascending order in a such a way that province Ontario is always on top. They are talking about province name order by ascending order, but they are talking about have a condition if Ontario always comes first, then after that they comes ascending order. Right? I think you get the question, and I'll solve the query. You can try to solve it. First select province name. This is the table. Province name. Then after that we use condition. Case condition. We use column when first I have completed this query. Then you will I'll explain you how this query will work. First you can give me 1-2 minutes, then I will solve it, then I'll explain again. First of all, where province name is equal to Ontario. Ontario, then 1 is 0. After that int, and we want column name D. Yeah. And after that we want order by. We want order by D. Then after that province name. Province name. I think now you got it. This is not a complete question. I am executing to show what you get after that. They are talking about okay, sorry. Here as, and now, oh, it's a so silly mistake. We don't try. We didn't try from which table we want. This is the D. From which table we want? We want from province name. Yeah, now it's okay. This is not a complete question. I am executing to show. So query to understand, control enter. Where I am making mistake again. We are making mistake again. I don't know why. Now because we are getting mistake here because we didn't put the order by, and we write order by 2, not 0. Now it's okay. Yeah, you can see it. Why we use this condition? First they order by D. D it means this one. Ontario have 1 D and remaining have 2. It's this is the condition of this call. Then first we have to do order by D. Then after that order by province name. Then province name they come sending. But now we want this one. Here is 2 column. Then we use this one subquery. This query we will use as a subquery, and we want only province name. Select province name from this table, from given table. Now it's okay. Control enter. Now this is the last question. Question number 53. They are talking about we need a breakdown for the total amount of admission each doctor has started each year. So the doctor ID, doctor full name, a specialist, a specialty, year, total admission for that year. Here is 2 table, admission and doctor. Like this is the relation. This is the common column. We will join from this attending doctor ID to doctor ID to join this column. Here they want doctor ID, then after that doctor full name, then after that specialty and selected year, and after that total admission, total number of admission in that year having doctor ID. And they are talking about year, selected year. We will get from the from this column. We will use year function to get year from the date column. Like I'll show the data. This is the date format like that, and we will get from the year function year. Let's solve it. First they are talking about doctor ID. Write it, doctor ID. Then after that they are talking about doctor full name. Then we will use concat first name, last name as doctor name. This is the second column. Then after that they are talking about as specialty. Now Now fourth column they are talking about selected year. Year we want from which table? We want admission date as selected year. Then we want count. Then we will get total number of admissions. Yeah, now it's okay. As total admission. What's the column name? Total admission. Yeah, now it's okay. From which table they are talking about? They are talking about as admission table. Then we will join it from doctor table on the basis of admission table, not patient ID, attending doctor ID is common column in admission, and we will join from doctor with common column is doctor ID. Doctor ID. Now it's okay. And after that, at the end, at the last, we have to do group by on the basis of doctor ID and year by selected year. Group by doctor ID and selected year. And also we will do order by doctor ID and selected year. This is not a difficult question. Whatever they are talking about in this question, I'll simply find the column. I'll simply write the query. They are talking about doctor ID, we will write. They are talking about doctor full name, then we will find. Then a specialty, this is the same column is available. Here, we will get from the admission table. Admission table from admission date column. And after that, total admission. We use count. Then we will join the both columns. Then we have used group by with doctor ID and selected year. To not, why we use this one? Because repetition will not come. Repetition is one and doctor ID is one with year 2028. 2000, not 2000, 2018. And after that 2019. Unique is coming. Two doctor ID is coming. Like one is available 2 times with 2 year. Duplicacy is not come. That's why we use group by. We will use group by to group the all rows having similar value. Then after that, at the last, we use order by. Now control enter. Thank you so much for watching these videos. I have lot of content related to data analytics. I have covered many projects and I have uploaded many projects in my YouTube channel. You can explore it. And recently I made one Power BI project that is amazing project that you add in a resume. Then you will easily get the job. And also I am talking about Python data analytics project I have also made in my YouTube videos. You just go and subscribe my channel